Hey guys, Andrew Koster with Louisiana Grills here at the Danson's Training Center. Today, we're going to be going over part replacement and maintenance on your Louisiana pellet grill. We're going to be using an LG 900, but since all Louisiana grills have a similar burn system, these will be relevant to all Louisiana grills, including yours at home. In order to service any Louisiana grill, we are first going to need to take out the hopper grate inside of the hopper, as well as the hopper side access panel. This is going to be done by removing a couple of Phillips head screws, both outside and inside the hopper, and then actually cutting a small amount of silicone inside the hopper. So we're gonna go ahead and lift up, and the plate will lift off, and it's held in place by the two wires holding the fan. These will actually just pull right off. And our hopper plate is now off.